Is it really 54 degrees out? It's gonna start getting better here in a little bit. I think it's time to go for a ride. Now, as you can tell, my motorcycle is conveniently located in my apartment, which is good because winterization, not really a thing. It's 73 year round in here, but getting it out is a pain in the That's probably not the best way to go. That'll probably be a little bit better. Alright, so I'm going to be going off of this thing now, so we'll see you on the other side. And here we go! Alright, first day of the season. Well, March 15th, 14th? I don't know, something. But it's beautiful out today. It's nearly 70 degrees, and I figure bike's been sitting for a while, so we might as well take her out for the first round. Get the cobwebs off of it and everything. So let's see. So I just hope it starts. It's been on the tender. We're good. Fresh oil change before we did this. Battery's going. Good there. Switch is in. Plugs out. Here we go. That's not a good sign. Uh-oh.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
This is gonna get interesting now. Great. That's it, that's plugged in. Please don't be the issue. Power commander. Kill. Keys on. Normal lights. Everything's good. Clutch in. Let's give that a shot. So it's getting power. No. Oh, why is this happening? What did I do wrong? Hey Ron, this is Kate. I winterized it, put it up for the season, trying to take it out today. It'll spin. Nothing. It'll just keep turning over, keep turning over, keep turning over, it won't fire. Full tank with stabilizer in it, so don't make me tear this sucker apart. Fuck. Well, now that it won't start, I gotta figure out how to get it to start. I don't know if it's because I've got a power commander. This also isn't factory. Did a lot of cutting there. I've tuned it. It could be it, and the dealer's not gonna like that. So let's start with the basics. Does it have fuel? Yes. Is the battery charged? Yes. Is it in gear? No. So then what is it? Now I'm going to take this battery tender charger cord thingy off and see if that helps. But truthfully, I don't. I think the problem's going to arise with this and engine mapping. And that's my fear. I just dropped a spare fuse somewhere. I don't think I'll get it out.
Nice work.
Thank you. It doesn't run right now, but pride and joy, but when they don't work, they're not very fun. Just troubleshoot a few different things, nothing from there.
So are you taping it? Are you video?
Yeah. So like I've like not a big following on YouTube, hardly anything, but I just enjoy it. It's fun to me. Enjoy the day. Let's try it. Key on. Cycles. Everything's good. Dash is good. Kill switch. Good.
For sales and technical assistance, press 1. Thank you for your patience. It looks like our team is currently busy helping other customers, but should be with you very soon.
I don't think it's going to have anything to do with any parts that you did.
You sound bad. I'm not thinking you can't work on a bike.
I'm not a mechanic.
Shoot.
But I have to ask.
Yeah, the only thing you could do is, make sure it's getting spark, make sure it's getting fuel. And that's kind of all that I can help you out with.
I appreciate it.
Cool. Yeah, I appreciate it.
Awesome.
Yeah, good luck, man.
Thank
Hope
you.
it works out.
Well, this is my last shot. I'm gonna put it all back together, and if it doesn't work, back to the drawing board. I don't have a socket that fits in there or goes around that one. So we gotta get creative here.